Today's recipe, Jhul Chitoi Pitha. Looks yummy and spicy. Rice flour, 1.5 cup. Salt to taste. Mix well. Add warm water. Mix with hand. Make a smooth batter. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, mix again. Transfer to the blender jar. Blend it 2 to 3 minutes. Done. Add more water. Add chopped red chili, according your taste. Add coriander leaf, 1 tablespoon. Mix well. All done. Heat up the pan. Spread the oil and water mixture. Add flour mixture. Cover and cook 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take out the pitha. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.